Hello friends, it's Phil, and this is a video just to show you, or let's remember 2022 in a kind of a bit of a, well, it's obviously a mad year, but from a lawn care kind of, grass care kind of perspective, this is what we can expect this year to be like. So last week it was 18 degrees, perfect conditions for getting the season going. And some 5 days later, it's now -1, and this is the second bash of snow. A little bit of a blizzard action going on today. We had a big sort of 15 centimeters, well, big. We had a morning dump of snow, about 15 centimeters, and that's all melted with some sun, which was lovely. And now we're having another brushing of snow. So today is little old fun admin day, and luckily enough I've actually been very productive in doing some edits to the website, which I am constantly refining. Changed the homepage title script, this say the bit on the front, which I think is a really nice entry to a website. Go and have a look. It says, make your day exceptional, or make every day exceptional. I'm not quite sure which one because I can't remember, but it's one of those two, implying a beautiful lawn and a beautiful world. Make your day an exceptional day. And that's kind of some of the theme of all gardening, as it's been over the years, is be the best, as opposed to being the busiest. Be the best. Anyway, look, there's little Oban wandering around in the snow because he did want to come for a walk. Idiot boy. He wanted to have a little rummage around in the snow. And it's freezing when you've got the wind chill up here. And the wind's going in the wrong direction today, which is a bit weird. So it's coming from, I think it's kind of like a south-westerly wind. Normally it comes from down that way. Today it's coming from over there. I won't go that way because it will hammer the camera. Anyway, look, hopefully the rest of you across the UK are enjoying a very lovely day, and for those of you elsewhere in the world, hopefully you're having a lovely day as well. And lovely days will return probably in the next couple of days, once we've got this little bit of weirdness out of the way. Anyway, there we go. That's it for now. Day of rest. Lawns are under snow, but it will all melt very soon. Anyway, take care. Ta-da. Bye.